need to start saying Gems, okay? But you can call me Kick That.
Boy, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, this tide is rope.
You guys know me, then you know where I live, and you know what the curtains was looking like before. So hi Gems, it's your girl Encouragement Kim, and we're back with another dope video. So if you guys are wondering what to call me based on my other platforms, you can just call me Kim. So today we're back with another home decor. By now, initially I thought I'd been moved by now since it's the end of the year, but unfortunately we gotta do what we gotta do. Sometimes things occur in your life that initially may set you back, but we cannot let that stop us. We cannot let that stop you. So what we're gonna do is tweak up the space and make the most of this situation. So if you guys are wondering why you see this brick wall back here, we stay next to an airport. So like basically the brick walls do that. So and we're downtown, obviously, in Montgomery. Nonetheless, what we have today is an unboxing, and we're going to get to some products that we did receive on Amazon online. Some of the products that I have, I've already, like I was saying, you should see a clip right here to where I did unboxing.
So hey guys, this is the unboxing that I received September 25th, 2022. It was Sunday. I was getting ready for church service online, and the postman showed up. So here I got some other decorum items that will also coordinate with my office. This here is a rose gold wireless charger for my iPhone 11, and also that's the curtains right there. I think I was so pissed at the postal service for leaving some of my packages. I did not unbox it initially, but it was still boxed. So yeah, that's the charger. And I think, what else did I get that was rose gold? A phone case.
Hey you guys, this is also a setup that's in my studio. I have a nail set up here where I vlog at Instagram. So if you follow me, you know on Instagram that we had some issues with Amazon. And yeah, so we finally got my mirror, and I decided to just put it right here next to my waxing kit here, and yeah, it looks good. It's rose gold.
Back to the video, period.
And I already opened the curtains just to make sure they was the right size and everything. I did go ahead and fit them, but the curtain rod is what we're about to do, and y'all about to see how to put. Oh, I can't hear them with this fan. Hold on, let me turn this fan on. Hey y'all, listen, I'm about to get ready to record this new video, and I need y'all opinion on something. I just got some. I'm finna let y'all see them, and then again, y'all might have to wait till I do it on my channel. But I'm about to do an unboxing, right? And we about to do a living room home studio makeover, so stay tuned. I know I'm cute and everything, but for real, I'm serious.
So you guys, let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, this is the rod, and we did order this from Amazon. As you can see, this rod is bigger than me, period. So do make sure that you get the correct measurements when you're purchasing a rod. And look at me, just having a ball. So that's the instruction manual. You want to make sure you read that, just in case you want to mount your rod onto your wall. Look at that.
Appreciate you even blessing me with your presence. You know what I mean? Bishop, Magic, Don Juan, and money.
Almost complete. Now, what I want to do is show you two ways you can hang up these curtains. You can use the rings that came with the rod, which is the instant clip, without putting them through these rings. I didn't know that my rings were silver, but the white rod that I actually wanted, they did not have that available. But you actually just clasp the curtain onto the ring, and then you would just slide the curtains in like is initially string the curtains this way, you know what I'm saying, and have them hanging like that, and in a little tangle, but trust me, this one.
So you guys, that's it. We're coming to a close. Now you can watch me as I get ready to hang up my curtains and fit them, and yeah, you know how that go.
So if you guys know me, then you know where I live, and you know what the curtains was looking like before. So this is actually before, and we're about to get started with the transformation.
So you guys, that wraps up this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell.